Ooh, that was, whoa! Hello, my pretties. Today, we are going to make a death in the afternoon. It is one of my favorite drinks because it has two of my favorite items, which is absinthe and champagne. And if you don't know what absinthe is, if you have never tried it before, it is amazing. It's got a rich anise flavor to it. It's got a bunch of different herbs. It's like an aperitif. If you have heard of absinthe and you are worried about it because you think it might cause hallucinations or it might make you, I don't know, go crazy or something, false news, fake news, if you will. It was invented in Switzerland in the late 1800s. It was very popular in Paris among artists, and people used to drink it all the time. You know, at the Moulin Rouge they would drink it. Vincent van Gogh would drink it. It was very popular. So what ended up happening is all the wineries, because they were actually, their crops were taken over by a bunch of nasty little buggies, and so the wine production was very, very minimal. So absinthe became super popular in the cafes, in the dancing places, blah, blah, blah. Wine companies hated this. So they decided to put out rumors about how absinthe causes hallucinations and it causes you to go crazy and blah, 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 blah. Not true. Not true at all. So absinthe's delicious, and it only just became legal in the United States in the early 2000s. So it actually was hard to get. You could not get it. It was illegal to purchase in the United States until only recently. So I'm very happy it's here. It makes me feel cool to drink it. It's amazing. So let's try it. Let's start it. Like I said, it's only 2 ingredients. You got your champagne and you have your absinthe. Let's go. All right, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna do your absinthe, and contrary to popular belief, obviously it does not give you hallucinations. It does have a little bit of the wormwood in it, but it's so minuscule that you would have to like consume the entire bottle to be able to get any type of effects. Obviously it's extremely high proof. You don't want to drink it straight. You want to, you know, cut it with something else. But yeah, it's extremely tasty. So what you want to do is you want to do 1 1/4 absinthe. So do you see how it's a little bit green there? So this is Lucid. This is a very popular brand. I love it. It's one of my favorite absinthe brands. So then what you want to do next is you're going to want to fill it up with some champagne. Because who doesn't love champagne? I don't know about you, but champagne is my favorite. I like bubbles. Bubbles make me happy. So I actually used to go to bars and I would just order champagne. So I go up to the bartender and be like, can I have some champagne? And I felt bad for them because they were probably like, you're gonna make me open an entire bottle of champagne for just you. And yeah, I made them do it. And then I would go back and order like 3 glasses more, and then they probably felt a little bit better about it. So anyway, sorry, I'm a little apprehensive. Opening bottles of champagne sometimes still make me a little nervous. So, but let's see if this one's easy to do. We're gonna try it out. Oh, ooh, that was, whoa. That one is a little bit easier than I expected, but then it came with a very final blow. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to fill up your glass with the champagne. So Ernest Hemingway is actually the person to have invented this drink. He said that he loved the little opaque color it gives, which is actually really, so when you do absinthe by itself with just the water and the sugar cube, this is the color it becomes. So this is your death in the afternoon. 2 great, amazing, magical ingredients and a smile. Cheers. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so good. It like reminds me of what it would have been like to be in Paris in like the early 1900s. It just, you know, amongst all those artists and they're talking about things I don't understand. Memories. Thanks for watching. This was the first episode in October. We're gonna get a little bit more spooky with the cocktails and such, but for right now, thank you for joining me on my journey of teaching you guys some delicious drinks. I hope that you continue to follow and like and subscribe. Thank you. Ooh, we can hear it buzzing. Can you hear it fizzing? My champagne dance, yeah.